Hello and welcome to day 2 here at Automechanika Birmingham. Let's take a look at the highlights from all 3 sections of the show, including vehicle production, aftermarket and the garage quarter.
It's essential. It's pretty much the only event in the year where you're going to get the engagement with the OEMs all in one place.
Everybody is here, the whole industry.
It's interesting, lots of interesting providers and suppliers here.
You need to get out there and make contacts.
It's nice to have a look and a touch and a feel of the product rather than just seeing it online, so it's a good opportunity to do that.
It's so big and it covers so much, so we do get a lot of information and it's good to meet other people in the trade.
We've got the brand new motorbike. This is the very first prototype.
This is our latest diesel technology.
It is now the main show for the UK, both for the aftermarket and the supplier side. And I think having everything from vehicle manufacturing all the way through to sort of that real sort of detailed aftercare market is essential. It's an opportunity for garage owners, for tyre retailers to come here and see what's on offer. And, it is a terrific show. There's a buzz about it, always has been right from the start.
It's nothing like it. It's just a great showcase and a great showcase for British industry too.
That's it for day 2 here at Automechanika Birmingham 2018. But don't worry, it's not all over yet. There are extended hours in the garage quarter until 7 p.m. this evening, and doors open for the third and final day at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow.